Okay, today's project is on this bathroom sink faucet. The cold water handle has gotten, if you listen. So that's lame. I've obviously already turned the water off. The hot water handle, nice and smooth. So obviously the cold gets used all the time. So I guess it wears out faster. This faucet isn't that old. Okay, so I took this apart a couple of months ago and to see what was in there, if I could fix it. It's got a cartridge, which I didn't have, and I couldn't find at the local store. I ordered one, but I had to put it back together in the meantime. And it has a little valve surface. I put some food grade lubricant on there, and it seemed fine. And so I've been hanging on to this part just in case I needed it. But it's gotten squeaky again. So now I'm ready to just put a new part in. So that's what I'm going to do today. The first thing that was a little bit of a challenge for me the first time around was trying to figure out what brand of faucet this even is. So the first clue is that the sink is a Kohler. So likely the faucet is, but I didn't know that for sure. And I finally found that if you look around here on the back side, let's see if we can see it. You may or may not be able to see that. I can't in the little screen on the camera, but on the back of the faucet, which you can only see with a mirror, it does say Kohler. So that's helpful. Thanks, Kohler. Anyway, so we'll take this handle off and hopefully just drop in the new cartridge and we'll be ready to rock and roll. Here we are under the sink. You can see it's got two Phillips head screws that keep this thing tied up against here. We'll loosen those. And then I think this whole plate unscrews, if I recall. I can't remember. Let's see. Maybe that's all we need. Let's go up top. Okay. Got a bunch of plumber's putty on here from the last time. Okay, here's the old one. So what I had looked at before was this little bit comes off. This little thing slides out. So here's the, this is ceramic, I guess, or some kind of plastic. And then this part turns on it, and I think that's what squeaks. That brown part spins on there, but this is under pressure and it rubs. So that's what I lubricated last time, and it helped a lot, but it didn't last. Maybe I have the wrong kind of lubrication. I don't know. But I got this new one anyway, so here's the new one. Is it really the same? Looks like it. Close anyway. So let's put this one in and we'll see how it does. Let's turn it on and see what happens. Just to check. Well, works. Okay, there's off. Checking for leaks. Don't see any. Boy, it feels smooth as silk. I think we're good. Okay. Go down underneath and tighten it up. Listen to that. Nice and smooth. Just like the hot water side. I think that's it. Turn these back on. Easy money.